What is up, guys? My name is Clay Wong and we are back with another video for you guys. Today we are at Cambria Bodyworks here in Dandenong and we have something really special that's going to take place for my EG right here. You guys probably guessed it already, but it's going to get resprayed. I'm not going to tell you guys exactly what color, but leave your comments below with what you think the color will be resprayed in. This car is going to get all sprayed and all cleaned up. It's gonna look absolutely crazy when everything's all done. If you guys haven't seen my videos before, this is my K20 EG 1992 Honda Civic. It's my little project car that I'm gonna be building. It's a budget build project car. So with budget in mind, we're gonna be spending as least amount of money possible and making it the best driver's car that we can. And hopefully, we'll smash a few supercars on the way, at the track, on the street. We can do a few mountain runs, and it's gonna be an absolutely sick car when it's all said and done. I'll give you guys a quick overview before we hand over the keys. So as you can see, guys, the interior, it's all fully stripped. You've got the roof, the headliner, everything back here is out. I've got a few goodies already planned going onto the car, coming up real soon, so it's gonna be really sweet. We've got bride seats, everything's all stripped. DC5S cluster over here, fully operational, functional, no aircon. I'll show you guys the little engine bay real quick. There it is, guys. So this is the heart of my Honda EG Civic. It's a K20Z from a DC5S. And it's gonna be absolutely sick when it's all done. Everything looks pretty much bone stock, in which it is. Nobody can actually tell that this is a modified motor. And it's all been engineered to the car, which is the best part. Everything's been all engineered, so as you can see, whatever you see on the car is completely legal. And honestly, no cop could ever pull me up and stop me for this car because everything that I've done has made it legal and fully operational on Victorian roads. So no hassles, no troubles from here on, and it's going to be absolutely sick. So yeah, leave your comments below with what you think the color will be for this car. I've got my Audi RS3 right behind it. So, you know, like, I absolutely love my hatchbacks, and this car is going to be pretty much like a budget version of my RS3. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. It is going to be an absolutely amazing project. We're going to keep you up to date to building the ultimate budget build Honda Civic EG.
Here in Melbourne, Australia.
Yes.
We're about to go jump out of a perfectly good airplane.
Awesome.
What made you want to go skydiving?
My friends bought it for my birthday. So,
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
When was your birthday?
January, ages ago.
Oh man, it totally was ages
So
ago.
I finally got enough courage.
Oh, you know what? This is one of those things where after the jump, you're going to wonder why it took you 6 months to come jump out of a plane.
Exactly right, okay.
You know?
Fingers crossed it's good.
Yeah, man, we're going to have some fun. It's beautiful views of Melbourne today. You ready?
Yeah, ready. but since doing skydiving, my fear of heights is actually not that bad anymore. So if you guys haven't given it a go, please give it a go, because I think it's a life-changing event and you guys have to try it at least once in your life. Honestly guys, I do so many more things apart from just cars. Heaps of eating, heaps of traveling, heaps of just really fun stuff. And if you guys want to see more than just car videos, please leave a comment below. Like this video if you liked it, and please subscribe because I've got some killer content coming and you don't want to miss it. Please take care guys. See you soon.